What is the most popular decking material in the Bay Area? Redwood is often the preferred choice among Bay Area homeowners for decking material. However, it's worth noting that all the wood types we're mentioning in this guide will have common use across our region. Now, frequently questioned number 1. What is the difference between decking hardwood versus softwood? It lies primarily in their wood composition and characteristics. Softwood, exemplified by varieties like cedar and redwood, are indeed softer and more pliable. They often feature warm, natural appearance and are relatively easy to work with. However, softwoods may require more frequent maintenance due to their susceptibility to wear and decay. In contrast, hardwoods such as Ipe and Mengares Red Balau are notably harder, denser, and exhibit exceptional durability. They're renowned for their longevity and resistance to the elements, making them a preferred choice for outdoor decks. What's more, both Ipe and Mengares Red Balau have Class A fire rating, underlining their superior fire-resistant properties. These hardwoods not only offer enduring beauty, but also provide peace of mind when it comes to safety and longevity in outdoor deck construction. Next one is which wood type is the most durable for decking. All the woods we featured in this guide are known for their durability. For those who prioritize exceptional durability, exotic wood types like Ipe and Mengares Red Balau are recommended. They're exceptionally hard and can withstand substantial wear and tear. How can one determine if deck lumber is of high quality? Begin by sourcing your lumber from a reputable supplier. This is half the battle. Before commencing deck construction, inspect the lumber yourself. Signs of low-quality wood including splitting, scalping, twisting, and warping. Additionally, scrutinize the lumber's grain pattern. High-quality lumber typically displays a straight, even pattern running parallel to the length of each board. Now, which one has longer lifespan, Trex or real wood? Trex, a composite decking material made from a combination of wood, fiber, and plastic, tend to outlast most softwood options. A redwood or cedar decking can last for about 20 years. However, a high-quality hardwood deck like Ipe and Mengares Red Balau can easily endure a literal lifetime, up to 75 years, making the choice a matter of personal preference. Now, what are the disadvantages of Trex decking? One significant drawback is its initial cost, which tend to be higher than wood decking materials. Trex decks can be prone to scratching, which can affect their appearance over time. Another concern is that it can become hot to the touch, making it very uncomfortable to walk on during scorching summer days. Lastly, the aesthetic appeal of Trex, while mimicking natural wood, may not satisfy those seeking the authentic look and feel of the real wood decking. What's the most expensive decking material? Exotic hardwoods like Ipe and Mengares Red Balau are often the most expensive, while softwood redwood decking also falls on the pricier side when compared to woods like cedar or hemper. What is the typical lifespan of a wood deck? Most softwood decks can last between 10 to 25 years, while hardwoods can last up to 75 years. Regular maintenance can extend a deck's lifespan, while exposure to harsh weather can reduce it. To ensure your deck endures for decades, it's crucial to keep it clean, sealed, and well-maintained. Which type of wood deck has the longest lifespan? Ipe and Mengares Red Balau are known for lasting for 75 years or more. While they might not be the most budget-friendly options, their durability and longevity makes them excellent choices for deck construction. How often should wood decking be replaced? The need to replace softwood decking materials can vary, usually falling within the range of every 10 to 25 years. Factors such as wood species, lumber quality, maintenance level, and frequency of use all play a role. The rule of thumb is, the more care you provide over the years, the longer your deck will last, reducing the need for frequent replacements. How large should my wood deck be? The ideal deck depends on the dimensions of your yard. A general guideline suggests that your deck should occupy no more than 20% of your home's square footage, ensuring it complements rather than overwhelm the aesthetics of your house. What are the expenses associated with maintaining a wood deck? Apart from the installation cost, you'll need to budget for regular cleaning, sanding, staining, sealing, and potential repairs and replacements. How much value does an outdoor deck add to a home's worth? Now, according to a study conducted in 2017, a wood deck can increase a home's value by an average of $10,000. The actual profit you gain upon selling your home, however, largely depends on the initial cost of installing the outdoor deck and the maintenance it received over the years. We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. But if you're not in a rush, I encourage you to shop around. Then check us out. We're a factory direct store, so our prices are cheaper than any other places. We import the woods ourselves, passing along the savings to you. And we have pro installers with 15+ years of experience at your service. Should you have any questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.